Think all sawmills are the same? Not this one. The Hud-Son H360 proves otherwise. A fully hydraulic beast built for speed, precision, and serious production. Hydraulics do the heavy lifting. From loading and clamping to flipping your logs, it's all hydraulic. One operator, no problem. Log loader, log turner, optional hydraulic log dog and backstops. Built so you can handle the big stuff solo. Production mode, engaged. With the optional programmable blade set, you can dial in exact thickness presets and let the auto blade height do the thinking. More boards, less waste, faster output. Every button designed for real-world use. No tiny toggles, no frozen switches. Just big push buttons you can use with gloves, even in the dead of winter. Built for the job site. The H360 rides on a 24-foot trailer with electric brakes, lights, fenders, and a rugged 3x6 box beam frame. Ready to roll wherever the logs are. And precision? It's built in. With Hud-Son's dual shoe guide system, you get straight, stress-free cuts and longer blade life. Plus, our thin kerf, double hard blades give you more sellable lumber every single time. Smart features, real benefits. Track sweepers keep debris off your path. End of track stops prevent overpull. Everything built to keep you moving. Log capacity, up to 36 inches in diameter and 18 feet long, handled with ease. Power options? Choose from 23 to 40 horsepower, including a diesel for the toughest jobs. This isn't a hobby mill. The H360 is for real sawyers, builders, and hardworking pros who are done fighting their equipment. Built in the USA, built to last, built to produce. The Hud-Son H360.